got Pat.
What's up?
Tony.
I had no idea we were doing this until tonight.
And me. This is a swimming pool, by the way. See, it's a pretty good size. So this is the truck here. The pool will be going in the bed of the truck, and we will be filling the truck with balloons and other things, newspaper and whatnot. So we've got the pool inside the truck now. It just happens to be a perfect fit. Finishing the air here. This is too good. You can see this pool bought for about $25 at Toys R Us here. Fits perfectly inside the bed of the truck. So now apparently we're blowing up penis balloons.
It's like throwing a hot dog down a hallway.
Down a hallway?
What did we just throw in there?
Yeah, some kind of monster.
It's a ball.
Yeah, it's a monster ball.
And a starfish. There's a starfish in here too.
Yeah, there's a snake. Don't forget the snake.
Snakes on a Slade truck.
Snakes on the truck! These balloons are terrible.
Explain what it is.
So we have here some very nice smelling cinnamon berry air freshener. We're gonna throw in the car for safekeeping.
So three of these are going in there completely open. Let's see here. So we're also filling this up with newspaper. You can and balloons. See the inside here. Newspaper and balloons. So here's Pat relaxing in the
Ice cold water.
the water here.
The water's fine, come on in.
Walk down to the end. Let's see how deep it is already.
It's up to my ankles.
So you can see it's up to about 1/3 of his calf there. Yeah. He's in there with his little friends. There's a snake and there's some other stuff in there. I'm sure something's alive in there. He just couldn't hold it anymore. Look at that. Oh, it's so much. So much.
What's so wrong?
I can't stop.
It doesn't work like that.
So the pool's about halfway full now. It's been about, what, half an hour? 40 minutes?
Yeah, something like that.
That we've been working on this here. There's the amazing growing starfish. Watch it grow.
Doesn't seem like it's growing.
Oh, it is. You just can't tell. It's growing so quickly. We get a shot of the interior of the truck now. You can see this is through the front windshield here. You can see it's pretty well filled with paper.
Well, we're gonna put this one in last, right on top of everything.
Wait, let's get a good shot of that. Yeah, feel the heat.
She wants it in the butt.
Apparently she wants it in the butt.
She's an anal queen?
Light, no. Light, bad.
Hold on, I'm trying to get a shot of your shirt. The official prank shirt. Never underestimate the power of stupid people.
God. That is fucking funny.
I can't hold so long enough to get a picture.
Don't hate us, Slade. Don't hate us.
Start shoving them back there.
Oh yeah, he's gonna be pissed. This is gonna be great. Wow. I can't believe we put this much paper into a truck.
There's a ghost in that picture.
So there's the lady, Slade's dream girl, right in the front window there. Can you feel the heat? We'll walk around the other side of the truck here. So here's the other side of the truck, finally.
That's awesome.
The pool's almost done being filled here.
That also is awesome.
So what's the official word?
This is funny. Funny stuff. Funny. Oh God.
Here it goes.
This is Slade's truck taking a piss. Oh, so much for the wax job. Alright. No! Let it go!
Go.
You're good. Go. Start.
This is the last piece of 2 bags of newspaper going into Slade's cab.
Slade, we hope you had a good trip to Ireland. We hope you have a better homecoming.
Come over here and get
This is for putting penis all over my car more than once.
There you go.
Yep. And shut it.
Take that.
Somebody got the keys? So we
I
can lock
have
it?
it. I got the keys.
Take that, Slade. Yes.
Give another shot of the front windshield. Too.
Should we alarm it?
Congratulations.
Oh yeah, realarm it.
Welcome home, buddy.
Get a nice shot of how weighed down the back of the truck.
Welcome home.
I would like to know, no parties were had here per your request.
Except for the one with strippers.
Yeah. Well, unfortunately, there's
That
no
one's
picture
kind of
that.
a given.
Anybody have anything special to say to Slade?
Oh,
Let's
welcome
go
back.
swimming! Happy birthday!
Hope you had fun. Good luck cleaning that out.
You owe me a birthday present for this.
Happy
Special.
birthday. Hope you had fun in Ireland.
Yeah.
Get line, you bastard.
I don't think your truck will ever have this much weight in the back of it again.
At least not while you own it.
Slade, man. Happy birthday. Hope you had a good trip to Ireland. And quit trying to fuck me in the ass, Pat. Welcome home.